we'll see the types of transformer and their usage. First, there are four types of transformer we'll see in this video. First one, we have power transformer. Second one, we have the single phase transformer. Third one is step down transformer. Fourth one is step transformer, and remaining four are here. We'll see one by one. So first, we'll see only a brief description about the power transformer. Power transformer are large devices used in the transmission network to step up or step down voltage levels for the long distance power transmission. They are typically found in the substation and generate high efficiency over a wide range of loads. What is the use of the power transformer? It can be used for the electric utilities and the industrial plants. In the electric utilities, they are primarily used in electrical grids for transmitting electricity over by long distance. By stepping up the voltage, they reduce the energy loss during the transmission. Next, we have the industrial plants. Power transformer can be used in the industrial plants to step down voltage for the equipment and the machinery. Second, we have the single phase transformer. Single phase transformers are used in the applications where a single phase power supply is needed. They have two windings, primary and the secondary, and operate on the principle of mutual induction. Single phase transformer can be used as for the residential applications and the commercial settings. In the residential applications, these are commonly used in the households to supply power to lights, fans, and other household appliances. In the commercial setting, a small business and the commercial buildings also utilize the single phase transformer to manage the electrical loads and the efficiency. Third one, we have the step down transformer. Step down transformers decrease the voltage from higher level to the lower level. They are essential in applications where the end devices require lower voltage than what is supplied. What is the use of the single phase step down transformer? It can be used for the electronics and the industrial equipment. In the electronics, they are used in the power adapter for electronic devices such as the laptops and chargers, where high voltage from the mains where the high voltage from the mains is stepped down to a safe level. Next one, it can be used for the industrial equipment. In the industrial machinery, often requires different voltage levels. Step down transformers make it possible to operate various machines safely. Next one, we have the step up transformers. Step up transformer increase the voltage from the lower level to the higher level. They are crucial in applications that require high voltage for the efficient operations. Usage, it can be used for the power transmission and the X-ray machines. In the power transmission, in power plants, step-up transformers are used to increase the voltage before the transmitting electricity over the long distances. It can be used for the X-ray machines. Medical equipment like the X-ray machines require the high voltage which is supplied through step-up transformers. Next one we have that is the toroidal transformers. This transformer have the definite Doubtnut shape core made from the strip of the magnetic material. They are known for their compact size, high efficiency, and low electromagnetic interference. What the usage of this one? It can be used for the audio equipment and the medical devices. Due to their low electromagnetic interference, they are used in the high fidelity audio equipment, medical devices. They are also employed in the medical devices where space and the noise considerations are critical. Next one we have the iron core transformer. Iron core transformers use laminated iron core to minimize the energy losses due to hysteresis and the eddy currents. They are robust and suitable for the high power applications. It can be used for the in the electrical grids and heavy machinery. Electrical grids. They are widely used in the electrical distribution systems. Heavy machinery, industrial machines that require stable and high power levels often use the iron core transformers. Next one we have the ferrite transformer. Ferrite transformers use the ferrite cores which are composed of the iron oxide combined with the metallic elements. These cores offer high magnetic permeability and low electrical conductivity, making them ideal for high frequency applications. It can be used for the switching the power supplies and the telecommunications. In the switching power supplies, they are used in the switching power supplies where high frequency operation is necessary. In the telecommunication, ferrite transformers are used also employed in the telecommunication for the signal processing. The last one we have the three-phase transformer. Three-phase transformers are used in the three-phase power system which are common in industrial and the commercial settings. They consist of three sets of primary and secondary windings ensuring balanced load distribution. It can be used for the industrial applications and the commercial buildings. In the industrial applications, these transformers are essential in the large industrial plants for operating the heavy machineries. In the commercial buildings, they are also used in the commercial buildings for lighting, HVAC system, and other electrical equipment. So lastly, we have concluded that transformers are indispensable components in the electrical system with electrical system, each type serving the specific needs from the power transmission in the electric utilities to precise voltage control in electronic devices. Transformers ensures that the electrical energy is efficiently and safely distributed and utilized across the various applications. Understanding the differences and the applications of the each type is crucial for the engineers, technicians, and anyone involved in the design and the maintenance of the electrical system.